All the problems have two parts, the internal part and the external part. The external part generally comprises of the object, the person, or the situation outside of that person. And internal part comprises of our own thoughts, our emotions, our belief systems, and so many other things. Normally, it is the interplay of these internal and external factors which determine whether it is a problem or it is a solution. How often do we find ourselves blaming the external factors for any kind of problem in our life? I failed because of ... and these ... contains that person, that object, or that situation. How often do we find ourselves to say, I failed because my thoughts were not right, my belief was not right? Very rare, maybe 1% of the population. But the issue is, it is an interplay of two factors and we cannot just ignore these. The most funny aspect of this thing is, we would very often find people taking credit for an achievement or a success. How often do we see people say, I did this, or I achieved this because I had worked hard, I had planned it, I had really put in my best. How often do you find people say, I succeeded because of that person, that object, or that situation? Very rare, isn't it? So the bottom line is, whenever it is a success or achievement, it's my credit, and whenever it's a failure, it's the blame of someone else or something else or some other situation to be blamed for. So the question is, out of the internal and the external factors, which is more important? Ideally, it is the internal factors, our thoughts, our emotions, our belief system, our attitude, our traits, and so many other things. The issue is, if we tackle the internal factors, we are tackling our own personality. And this is the best news. Why? Because internal factors are constant. It is so unique about the personality. It doesn't change over different problems. It is the same. So it is this constancy which helps us to tackle all the problems with the same set of remedies. So we can choose to be successful or a failure, or to be happy or gloomy.